Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vishal Gaikwad and today I am going to present on law of demand. Concept of demand. Demand for a commodity refers to the desire to buy a commodity backed with sufficient purchasing power and the willingness to spend. For example, you desire to have a car but you do not have enough money to buy it, then this desire will remain just a wishful thinking. It will not be called as demand. If in spite of having enough money you do not want to spend it on car, the demand does not emerge. The desire become demand only when you are ready to spend money to buy the car. Concept of demand. In economics, demand refers to effective demand, which implies three things: desire, means to purchase, and willingness to use those means for that purchase. Law of demand. Law of demand states that other things being constant, the demand of good increases with the decrease in price and decreases with the increase in price. In other words, there is an inverse relationship between quantity demanded of a commodity and its price. The term other things being constant implies that income of the consumer, his taste, preferences, and price of other related good remains constant. Now we will study demand curve. On x-axis we have plotted quantity demanded, and on y-axis we have plotted prices for units in rupees. Demand curve is denoted by dd dash, and points like p, q, r, s denotes the quantity and price correspondingly. Now considering this example of an orange, we can see that at rupees 5 per unit of an orange, the quantity demanded is 100. As the price reduces from 5 to 4, quantity increases from 100 to 200. As the price further decreases from 4 to 3, the quantity demanded increases from 200 to 300. As we can see, as the price decreases, the quantity demanded increases, and as we see the price goes down, the demand goes up. Assumptions to the law of demand. Income level should remain constant. If the income level of the buyer remains constant, the law of demand works better. If the income rises while the price of commodity does not fall, then the demand may increase with effect of income. Taste of the buyer should not change. Taste and preferences of the consumer creates an obstacle in the functioning of a law of demand. Mostly it happens in the situation when taste or fashion changes and people revise their preferences. Price of other good should remain constant. The demand of a commodity is generally affected by the change in price of other goods. If the price of commodity for which demand is inelastic rise, the demand for a commodity other than this in all probability will decline, even though there may not be any change in its price. Thus it is necessary for operating the law of demand that price of other goods do not change. No new substitute for a commodity. If any new substitute for a commodity is present itself in the market, it generally declines the demand. It is usual that the demand of existing product will fall even though the price remains unchanged, due to the reason that some buyer will purchase new available substitute. Thus, the law of demand only apply in situation when new substitute does not exist in the market. Price rise in future should not be expected. If the buyer expect that the price of any commodity will increase in future, then they raise the demand of that commodity in response to the initial increase in the price. The law of demand is violated by this type of behavior. Thus, for applying law of demand, it is required that there should not be any exception to price rise in future, expectation of price rise in future. Now, exceptions to the law of demand. Law of demand is valid in most of the cases, but there are certain cases where this law does not hold true. The following are the exceptions to the law of demand. Conspicuous good. In our society, there are some consumers who measure the utility of any commodity only by its price. They think that if the commodity is expensive, then it gives more utilities. As such, they buy less of this commodity at lower price and more of it at a higher price. Example of conspicuous good are gold. Higher the price of gold, higher is the prestige value attached to them, and hence higher is the demand for it. Griffin goods. An economist named Sir Robert Griffin was surprised to find out that British workers purchased more bread while the price of bread increased. This was against the law of demand. So he wanted to know the reason behind this. The reason was given by the incident is that the price of bread increases, the purchasing power of poor people declined, and they were forced to cut down their consumption of meat and other more expensive food. Since the demand since the bread was cheaper food at a higher price in comparison to other expensive food articles such as meat, ice cream, etc. Hence the consumption increases in condition when the price went up. Necessities of life. Generally, the necessities of life, such as food, clothes, etc., are not ruled by the law of demand. The demand of such item is not reduced when the price are increased. These items were purchased by reducing the demand of comfortable goods, even the price is very high. This is the reason that the demand slope upwards towards the right. Conspicuous necessities. The demonstration effect of the consumption pattern of social group affects the demand of various goods. Due to the regular use, these goods become necessities of life. For example, when the price of television sets, refrigerator, cooler, cooking gas, etc. is rising, but the demand of the good does not show any tendency to fall. Future expectations about prices. It has been observed that when the household expect any rise in the price of commodity in future, they tend to buy larger quantities of commodities. For example, in case of man-made and natural disaster, there is a shortage of industrial and agricultural goods. This creates uncertainty and fear in the economy, resulting this common man willing to pay higher prices and demand greater quantities of food grains. Impulsive purchase. The law of demand fails in the condition when consumer tends to make impulsive purchase without any proper calculation about the price and usefulness of the product. Ignorance effect. It is generally assumed that the household have perfect knowledge about price and quality of goods. A consumer ignorance is another factor which encourages him to purchase larger quantity of a commodity even at a higher price. Outdated goods. Goods which are going out of use due to technological advancement are known as outdated goods. Durable goods such as radio, telephone, etc. are included in this category. When the touchscreen mobile phones are introduced in the market, it reduced the demand of key used mobile phones. Even though they are available at lower price, seasonal goods which are not used during the off season show a similar kind of demand pattern. For example, the sale of fan may go down in winter even if they are sold at a reduced price. Thank you.